Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Eileen. I have several birthday entries for you today, but we're going to do this one by one. And the next birthday entry, number 45, is from Mary Sidell. I got your envelope. Oh my gosh, look at what this says. It says Santa's Helpers. Oh my gosh, I got to take this sticker off. This is just the postage. Ouch. Really? Really, Postman, Mr. Postman? I got some heavy duty stickers on here. Okay, never mind. I can't get it off. Cannot, nope, cannot. It says Santa's Helpers, so I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna cut the bottom, just to be safe, guys. Whoops. Super cute. There we go. And that way I won't cut anything, hopefully. Oh my gosh, thank you so much for joining, Mary. Oh my gosh. Look at all the goodies. Girl! Oh my gosh. Oh gosh, I'm gonna have to edit that corner. Horrible. All right, look at that. Oh, my hands are all messed up. Okay, I just have to make sure nothing is showing. Gotta make sure everything is all good. Look at that. She shared some adhesive ribbons with me. Super cute in the purple and the pink. So beautiful. I'm gonna move her memory decks to the side. I like doing the memory decks last. Oh my gosh, what are these? Are these resin that you made? Look at these guys. Oh my gosh, did you make these? This is cute. Cute and gorgeous is what I'm trying to say. This is gorgeous. Oh, this one's just the foam tape. It just popped off a little bit. But oh my gosh, look at the beautiful colors. And she's got little flowers with the bling. So pretty. Thank you so much, Mary. Oh my gosh. And then look at her beautiful card. I think these are Gorgeous Girls. I'm not familiar. I only seen them through Wandy. So beautiful. She got some bling. She's got her beautiful girl wearing some purple. Oh my gosh. Beautiful rosette with her threads here and a little bit of lace. A little flower there. Oh my gosh. I wish you the best birthday and happy years to follow, Mary Sidell. Thank you so much. She got a little kitty on there. It says beautiful day. Super cute, Mary. Thank you so much. And then here is her memory decks card. Got some gorgeous little oh gosh, what is the word for it? It's lace, but it's also anyway, it's a butterfly, and she's got 2 layers of the butterfly lace here and a little bit of gold butterfly underneath, maybe. Gorgeous little bow. And she's got some of these little resin pieces again, super tiny, teeny tiny. Look at that. So pretty, Mary. Thank you so much. So her YouTube channel, she has Mary Sidell Olmos, O-L-M-O-S. Her Facebook is also Mary Sidell, Mary Olmos, O-L-M-O-S. And her Instagram is Paper Crafting More Than a Hobby. Wow. Favorite store is papercraftingmorethanahobby.com. Oh, no, that is her store. I'm sorry. That is her store online, papercraftingmorethanahobby.com. Her birthday is January 22nd, and her favorite style is shabby chic, and her colors are peach and soft green. And she loves chocolates. This is gorgeous. So it shows shabby chic, pastels. Oh my goodness. Gorgeous. I will leave her information down below. Please, guys, go check her out. Show her some crafty love. And thank you so much, Mary, for joining in on the giveaway. So I'll see you all on the next video. Thanks for watching, loves. Bye.